Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So a question I'm commonly asked before people declare bankruptcy is, so who will know that I'm bankrupt? I really don't want my neighbours to know. So there are different groups of people who are told about the bankruptcy and groups of people who are not. So who is told? The bankruptcy itself is recorded on a government register known as the National Personal Insolvency Index, or the NPII. This is a register that is searchable for a small fee. So people actually need to proactively go to the register and search it if they want to find out if you're bankrupt this way. Other people who are told about the bankruptcy include creditors, that is, people you owe money to. People who are not told are your neighbours, your friends, your family, and your social circles. The exception to this is if they are some way connected to the administration of the bankrupt estate. For example, a husband and wife might own the family home together, and if one of them goes bankrupt, the other one will usually need to be contacted by the bankrupt spouse's bankruptcy trustee. So, you don't have to walk around holding a sign that you are bankrupt, but there are certain obligations, such as if you go to apply for new credit, like to get a loan, a personal loan or a credit card that's over $5,000, you will need to advise the lender that you are currently going through bankruptcy. So, a common question is, does my employer get told? The answer to this one is that it depends. Generally, if the administration of the bankrupt estate is going well and the person in bankruptcy is complying with all of their obligations, like to provide information about their income, there's usually no need to contact someone's employer. However, if for whatever reason the person going through bankruptcy decides not to talk with their bankruptcy trustee or give them the documents they reasonably require, bankruptcy trustees are allowed to approach someone's employer and let them know that this person is going through bankruptcy and obtain the information they are seeking. If this is a concern, let us know, because sometimes there are ways to administer the bankrupt estate properly without an employer needing to know. If there's somebody in particular you had in mind that I haven't covered, please feel free to drop me a question and I'll try and answer it for you.